Hello, today I'm making some Methi Thepla or Masala Paratha in a different way. This way is useful for people who don't know how to knead and roll the paratha. Chop ginger, garlic, and fenugreek leaves. Add turmeric, coriander, cumin, and chili powder along with water and flour and mix with salt to make a smooth, runny batter as shown. Spread the batter over a greased heated pan and allow it to cook. Once it gets set, separate the sides and rotate it with your hands as shown. Then flip it over, and then you can use a spoon to keep on rotating it to cook it. Once cooked on both sides, remove onto a plate covered with tissue paper. Serve it with a curry of your choice. I've served it with potato bhaji, stuffed green chilies, and plain yogurt.